Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to forward shared documents on WhatsApp web right from your PC. If you often share files for work or school, this new update makes managing and sending documents faster and smoother than ever. Let's go through each step together. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar WhatsApp interface, but now there's a handy new addition on the left side menu. Look for the media icon. It's right there along the sidebar with your chats and settings. Click on it and you'll see a few options like photos, videos, and docs. Choose docs to access all the shared documents available in your WhatsApp account. This section neatly organizes everything that's been sent or received, saving you the trouble of scrolling endlessly through chats. Next, at the top of the window, you'll notice a select icon. Click on it and now you can choose multiple documents at once. This feature is perfect if you need to forward several PDFs, Word files, or other materials in one go. After you've selected all the documents you want to send, click on the forward icon. It usually looks like a small arrow pointing to the right. A contact selection panel will appear. From here, simply choose the recipients you want to share these files with. You can select individual chats, groups, or even new recipients who haven't received these files before. Once your selection looks good, hit send. WhatsApp web will forward all your chosen documents instantly, keeping the original file names and details intact. And that's it. With this new update, forwarding shared documents has never been easier. No more hunting through chats or downloading files before sending them. Again, you can do it all with just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.